Hi guys, it's Charlie from Memories Made Outside. Today we'll be talking about one of the annoyances when you unhitch at a new location. The windows sticking from the heat and not being able to open it from the inside. So I'll show you how to fix that. The window is unlocked here, and trying to open it, it is stuck. Now, I've read on the internet that if you try to pry it open, you can fracture your window, which is not a good day. I'll show you what we have to do on the outside. Let's go. I have this plastic card here, and all you do is insert it between the glass and the gasket here to pry it open. Clean that seal. Just remove all the dirt and dust with a damp rag. And I just want to make sure that the surface is dry, so I'll use a dry shop rag just to make sure that it's nice and dry. And the final step is to use a lubricant. So we have this spray lubricant here that we read that it's a good product, so we hope that's the case. Basically just apply it in the areas where it tends to stick, and then if we need more, we'll just apply it. Alright guys, so I hope this was helpful. If you also experience this problem with your RV, leave a comment below and let me know what worked for you. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!